Hey, I'm Becky Davis and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is part 5 of a series where I'm talking about conversion rate optimization, digital marketing, and applying behavioral science for businesses of every size. In these videos, I'll be breaking down the hurdles that face most businesses looking at conversion rate optimization, namely lack of traffic and lack of money, and making this applicable for any business. For this video, cold emails. You know the ones. Hi, first name. Selling things is hard. I get it. This is me relating to you. Do you want to sell 10 times more things? With my company, you totally can. Do you have time for a call on Tuesday? Thanks in advance. Salesperson, obviously blasting emails. These suck. They really do. And there are 2 alternatives. One if you have time to really personalize the email, and one if you don't. First, if it's feasible, do some research and write something that's meaningful and shows that you're a real person. One hero of cold email even sent personalized videos of himself interacting with his prospect's site. I use this approach when I'm emailing businesses that I wanted to work with. Actually, I took those sucky cold emails, found the person in charge, and then emailed them a suggestion on how to do the next thing I'm going to talk about. And then I asked if they wanted to work with me on it. And here it is. Are you ready? Provide value first. Shocking. Yeah. I proposed that the company create high-value content and then reach out offering it to their prospect. If their prospect was interested, then they could click through to the website to get the piece and be added to a nurture funnel. This creates a connection with the prospect, gets them on your site, and gets them to start liking you, because you're providing value before you're asking for some of their time. Really, how many people do you know who are going to give their time to someone they don't like or even know? Make sure your content is consumable all in one go, or it may just linger unfinished. Then add a call to action at the end. Even better, create a series with a call to action at the end of every piece. That way, your prospect has a reason to come back and continue seeing your message, all in the context of the value that you provide. That's it. That's my secret to high converting email. Provide value first. Make sure to subscribe for more awesome digital optimization. And hey, if you've got a question or if there's something you'd like to talk about, leave me a comment below.